Poor Panda was inside the airplane, but danger was coming. Cruel hands pushed him outside and he started falling. He was alone, falling faster and faster, crying for help. The ocean was waiting below. Everything seemed lost. But suddenly, a brave dolphin appeared and caught the panda just in time. The panda was safe, thanks to his new dolphin friend. Together they swam to a new adventure. The dolphin brought Panda back to the beach, safe and sound. Goodbye, best friends forever.